Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn if we have a partial or relative URL and we want to resolve to a full absolute URL. We are going to see how to do that in JavaScript. We are going to create a URL object and pass the relative URL and the desired base URL. So I'm going to define implement a function. So that will be function. So our goal is that given a relative path and a base URL, we are going to resolve a full absolute URL. And now we are going to add our function for URL. And we are going to pass in a parameter relative path, the relative path for the URL. And the second parameter will be a base URL, a valid URL to use as the base. Now we are going to return our full URL. This will be return new URL. And we are going to pass in relative path and base URL, and we are going to call this href, and we are just gonna return that. And now we are going to log it to our console and call this function. So for example, this will be site.com, some API of users, and we're gonna do console dot log. This is the relative API or the relative URL from this to up to user, and our base URL site.com. So we're gonna do like this: API, and we're just gonna call the function, and our function is full URL passing API users, and the second parameter will be our base URL, that is https our site.com. This should be quotes. Now I'm going in a browser, and we are going to see the log in a. Now we have our file open in a browser. We can go to developer tools, and under the console we can see how we have now full URL. Here we are just passing the relative and base URL, and we get the full URL after calling this function. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.